Hello friends, welcome to my English channel EDC English Development Center. Today we are learn here about the Latin comparative. It's very interesting. So come to the point and let's welcome to the board. Okay. So what is Latin comparative? This is Latin comparative. So what are the Latin comparative? Latin comparative actually Latin from Latin, borrow from Latin. So it's called Latin comparative. There are some Latin words. Let's write superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, posterior, okay, superior, inferior, superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, posterior, anterior. We are all know whenever we make a comparative sentence and then we definitely use what is the structure, here plus than or more. Okay, may you write or not? Actually main focus here plus than. So here is here. Okay, but there is a quite changes. There is a or, more also or. So all the time, mostly Latin words are end of the words end of the words or. Okay, but comparative degree whether change and here plus then is make a comparative sentence, but it's quite different. It's a Latin word due to borrow from the Latin, so that is why it's called Latin word. Okay, so what are those words? At least we are revise again: superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, posterior, anterior. Okay, so all the time whether we make a comparative degree, definitely here then, but whenever we make a Latin comparative, we definitely reminded here, not here, that will be changed or, okay, or definitely use to, okay, then is not used here, okay, and then has to be changed and alternatively come to here, or plus to is make a Latin comparative. So next again repeats: superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, also maybe major, minor. Please look at the board and all the time end of the word, Latin word, or. Okay, so let's start. Superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, major, minor, posterior, anterior. Okay, if there given example, I make sure all of you understand. Okay, let's start. This is called Latin words due to borrow from Latin. Most of the students sometimes not taken otherwise, made a mistake. Whether fill in the blanks with the prepositions and preposition, sometime whether going to write something, and if they are made a mistake in the change of, then is a Latin word, then you should be used to. Okay, let's start example. I am contention, or maybe I am junior not there. Then it's not used here, so you should be rough this one. Instead of then, we definitely use to. Okay, so I am junior to him. Okay, number one. Number two, she or he is senior to my brother. May say Kamal is junior to Amal. Kamal is junior to Amal. Okay, more other example also here. Okay, next pen. Okay. Number three, my father is superior to my boss. Okay, what I noted here, attention to the order of the class. My father, my father is superior to my boss. Okay. Next one. Not mentioned here any name. This tea is superior to that tea. If there are any name, Darjeeling tea or Assam tea, maybe problems or may some anybody else call it maybe arguments, so that I don't have right here any names. This tea is superior to that tea. Okay. Next one, more other example here. I noted. I hope all of you get some lesson. So right here, let's start. Beds are posterior to France. What I noted here, please try to understand. Beds means body case. Beds are posterior to France. Okay. More other example also. Next one. Iron is anterior to silver. Okay, or iron is posterior, iron is anterior to silver, or lead also may you say. Okay, so let's start as a nutshell. Okay, whenever we make a comparative degree, we definitely use year and then. Okay, but we don't have use then in a Latin comparative. Why we say Latin comparative? It is actually borrow from Latin. Okay, borrow from Latin. So that is why it's called Latin words. So what is the features? Whenever we make a Latin word, we don't have use and use after any comparative words. Okay, so we use to instead of then, so that superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, outer, posterior, anterior, major, minor. Next again repeat, and I make sure learn it by heart. Superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, anterior, posterior, major, minor. Okay, so superior to, inferior to, junior to, senior to, prior to, posterior to, anterior to. Okay, all those are is learned by heart. Don't write superior and you suppose that all the time superior all the time or. Okay, not here. Comparative form, comparative all the time we write. Okay, taller. So ear is there. Okay, but instead of ear that will be till or. So superior, inferior, junior, senior, prior, anterior, posterior. Okay, major, minor. Okay, I hope quite helping hand about some lesson. Okay, that's all today. Thank you being here, join my class. If they are interested in these videos, definitely subscribe my channels. Okay. Okay. So namaskar. That's all today. Namaskar.